The given scatter plot shows the marks obtained by 5 students, so which means number of students is 5, n equals to 5 in Zonka and economics. So let and find the coefficient of correlation, which means you are asked to find R. Okay, so let's first start by making a table. So I'll make economics as x because it is being recorded in x-axis, and Zonka as y because it is recorded in y-axis. So there is one point here, so economics marks is 1 whereas Zonka marks is 7. Similarly, a point here where economic marks is 2 and Zonka marks is 5. Similarly, a point here you have 3 and 6. Another point we have 4 and 3, and the final point is 5 and 4. So since it is not specified whether to use Karlpearson's or Spearman, I want to use Karlpearson's, the formula which needs nx summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y over square root of n times summation of x square minus summation of x whole square. Now this formula actually is available in your formula sheet. So now I'm gonna follow this Karlpearson's rule. So for that I need to, this means this symbol means sum up, right? So you need to add what, the values of xy. So which means first let's try to find make a column here with xy. So x times y, 1 times 7 is 7, 2 5 10, 3 6 18, 4 3 12, and 5 4 20. Then you sum up. So summation of xy means you add up xy values, so it is giving you 67. Then you need this is known as somewhat value of x. So when you add all the value of x, you are getting 15. Summation of y means you add all the value of y, you are getting 25. Then underneath you have summation of x squared, which means you have to sum up x squared. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So x की value the square beta. So directly put this in the calculator, you will be getting 55. Then you also need to find y square. So your y value, bring it here and square it. So you try to put this in the calculator, you'll be getting 135. Now put all the value in your so n is 5, then summation of xy is 67 minus summation of x is 15, summation of y is 25, then divided by root. So you have root 5, n is 5, then summation of x squared is 55 minus summation of x squared, summation of x, then need to whole square it, right? And then times 5, summation of x squared is 135 minus summation of y is 25, then you have to square this up. So if you put this, do it step by step, otherwise if you put these brackets all without missing any of this bracket written here, you will be getting negative 0.8. So here the coefficient correlation is negative 0.8. Now what do you mean by this? It means negative, so your correlation is negative 0.8 is more, so which means high correlation, negative high correlation. Now check out this question. Following are the marks of 5 students in a monthly test. Evaluate the correlation coefficient. So if you look at this question also, it is not specifying whether to use Karlpearson's or Spearman's rank correlation. So you can use the same method that was done earlier. So you have A, 10, and so you can read, right, 12. So keep one as English as X and Zonka as Y. XY, and then record the values. Find XY, then X square and Y square, put it in the formula. So you can try your understanding, check your understanding by solving this question. So actually the answer is already here. It's 0.93, so positive high correlation, right? Now you can check this question and try to solve, check your understanding.